Hello everyone and welcome to the channel again. My name's Lyndon and as usual I've got Mike on the camera.
Hello!
Today this video is going to be all about opening this box. So join us now after the intro and see what we got for you today. Hello! As some of you probably already guessed from the title of the video, you know what's in the box already. But here we go, I'm going to show you. And it's this, a Digitrax DCS 52 Zephyr Express 3 amp. So let's get it out of the box. If I can. It's a bit tight. Okay. So what we have in the box is this, which is a large, easy guide. That's the first thing in the box. Then we have the controller. I do love unboxing new things. If I can get it out of the box. And there it is. Okay, what else is in the box? Okay, we've got a power lead, and we've got a book of instructions. Okay, put the box away. Let's have a look at this in more detail. So, you want it? So it's a nice little unit, this, and the reason I bought it, I mean, I've got this, which is a DCS 100, which is my main power pack, but when it comes with the power pack and everything else, it's quite awkward to move around. So I thought I'd treat myself to something that's a little bit easier to move around. So let's have a look at it. So you've got a 2.4 screen. You can program in 9,000 locomotives in a roster. You can operate 20 locomotives depending whether they sound or whether they have lights. On the front here you've got your brake, you've got your reverse and your forward, quite a nice lever to use, and you've got your throttle. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail on the controls because I haven't looked into it as yet, but we'll go into that in more detail later on. But on the back we've got all these ports. You've got your power. In here you've got track A and track B, which can go to your bus wire or a test track. You've also got wires that can go into a programming track. You've got a USB port which you can plug into a computer. And with this unit, you don't need a PR4 or a PR3 like you do with my other unit. it can go direct into the computer. Then you've got your Locomotive plugs, which is Digitrax way of connecting all your decoders and your power units and onto a computer. So I think what we'll do now is test it. Okay, we'll plug it in now. If I can get the socket in. Okay, nice bright screen. It's 2.4. The buttons that you control it with are all backlit, so you can do it when it's semi-dark or dark if you like running your railways in the night time. The number showing is number 3, which is a number for new decoders before you actually program them. Okay, I've got the Locomotive set on a rolling road, as you can see down the bottom here. This is the Bachmann class 47 and it's number 148. I did do a video short on this, starting it up out of the box after 12 years, and it did start, so we know it starts, but we need to try it all with this new system. It took me a while to remember the number. I couldn't remember the number, but now I know the number. Here we go, let's have a look. So to put a Locomotive in, you press the Locomotive button, you do the number, which this is 4748, press the loco again, and you should now have control of the Locomotive. So we'll start it running now without the sound. So we'll do forward. Yes, it's running. You can hear it running. Very nice. Okay, we'll stop it. This Locomotive has got a house sound decoder in there, which, oh, it must be years since I've actually put it in there. But it works quite well, but I think it wants a new speaker. But anyway, we'll test out the sound on it now. The sound function is number 1. So we'll give it a start. Takes a while to start this one. Lovely, there she runs. I'll just speed it up a little bit. Okay, there are lots of other functions on this Locomotive. I'll just test a few for you. You've got the horn, and you've got another horn which is backwards, and then you've got a single horn. And you've got connecting ones and coupling ones, wheel screech, there's all sorts on it. A lot of Locomotives now have got loads and loads of functions. Now, as you can see, this has only got 9 functions, but if you want to go up to extra functions, if you press the bus A, it'll go up to 10. Everything plus 10, if you press it again, it'll go up to 30. Okay, so it works. I'm quite happy with it. There's a few things I found out which I need to try. You can actually run DC locomotives with it by going in on 0, 0. But my old system, when you plug that in, it used to buzz. So once I get a DC locomotive to test, we can actually see how that goes. So I'm quite happy with it. It's running nicely. You can program all sorts of CVs on it. You can change locomotive addresses. You could do a short address, long address. You could change points with the S button once you've got decoders connected. or turnouts or switches, whichever you want to call them. There's all sorts you can actually do with it. Okay, we'll turn the engine off now. Now if you press function 8, you get the Spirax valves, which is good if you've got it parked up on a TMD or something. And it goes up to, I think, 29 functions, so I'm going to have to find out what they all are. Anyway, we'll end it there. I'm quite happy with it. Need to learn a lot on it. We'll see how it goes in the next video. Okay, one thing I forgot when I was going through it all, you've got ports in the back of it that you can plug one of these in, which is a DT402 hand controller. So it'll give you an extra controller, and I think you can actually plug in 2, which would be good if you've got a few people operating your layout. Anyway, we'll end it there, and we'll see you again. Thank you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. I mean, the unit is all new to me, so I got a bit flustered with it a little bit, but hopefully you'll see a lot more of it in the future, and a lot more videos, changing CVs, changing addresses of locomotives, etc, etc. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thanks for all those new subscribers and those that have liked my videos and made a comment. So hopefully you can join us again for another video coming up soon. Thank you.